It has been 4 years since URS establishment in 2010, and up until now, we are still carrying the same objective with lots of improvements here and there. We want to bring Tasogans to another level. We want you to be able to speak up your mind, to build exceptional level of critical thinking. And most importantly, we want to foster a generation that can create value.
As for now, we did a lot of activities such as mini parliament. It is for students to exchange ideas, and we did a mini sports carnival.
Talking about Ursa community members, who are we? Generally, we are a diverse group of people united in one organization. There are 18 of us, each with different characters, different background and different culture. We come from everywhere, from Kelantan to Sarawak and up to Chad.
Next, we have a big fan of Tun Mahathir. I think you know who this guy is.
We have the musicians, the leaders, the debater, the aspiring businessman and woman, the media edit, and thus this one goofy guy who's He's friendly to almost everyone, and he's still insanely genius.
Then we have a very happy-go-lucky and nice girl, but put her on a field, she's the soccer queen.
Ultimately, we are just different in every aspect, yet we are driven by one goal. With the URC Transformation Plan, we are going to prepare lots of programs and activities.
We look forward to come to our event. I promise you it's going to be interesting. See you.
We want to transform it.
We want to transform you.